How to close your UTS mobile account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you how you can close your UTS application account on Android or iOS devices. So the steps are almost identical for both of them. So let's start by opening up our UTS mobile application. So simply tap onto the application icon and your UTS mobile application will be launched and you will get an interface like this. Now in this particular interface you need to select journey ticket, and under the journey ticket you might find this profile button right here. So simply click onto this profile button, and within this it will lead you to your UTS application account or UTS profile. Now in this profile you need to click onto these three dots present at the top right corner. Once you will click onto this, you will see this option that says close account. So simply click onto this close account button, and it says please be advised that this action is irreversible and all data associated with your account will be permanently deleted. Your R wallet will be automatically surrendered, and any remaining balance after deducting clerkage charges can be claimed at the nearest UTS counter upon successfully validating the OTP sent via SMS on the registered mobile number. So this means after you click onto this close account button, you will need to verify by providing the OTP, and your UTS account will be successfully permanently deleted. So if you want to proceed, you can click onto this close account button over the right, and your account will be successfully permanently deleted. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.